Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
So we're back with another beauty challenge
Obviously in public demand,
So we'll be given a couple of statements.
and have to guess whether it's
correct or incorrect.
If I get the statements wrong,
I have to overline my lips and look beautiful.
I am not that excited.
I am super excited about it.
so.
let's get started.
I think this is true. This is a fact. I don't remember which era, but I guess, yeah, women have always been slightly insane. Yep, true.
No, but it's not entirely false because I know women who pluck out their brows and I don't know, draw it with something.
Yes.
I think it's true.
Okay. Cool?
My lips is...
Here you go. How do I look? Isn't it beautiful? I know.
It should be false. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. So yeah, I would go with false.
False.
Okay, I read something similar, but I think it was in Egyptian time, but I don't know, is it clay or something? I'll go with true. Thank God.
हाँ खाते थे भाई मिट्टी खाते बचपन में तो मैंने भी बहुत मिट्टी खाई है नॉट फॉर दीज पर्पसेस बट हाँ यस who knows stuff about beauty now it's me.
Where are you getting these questions from anyway? I mean, I have no idea. I've never heard about them. Whatever. I'm not interested now.
Aha.
I'm just shocked at how stupid this is. And if it's true, then stupid, but I think it's false. Please tell me people want this insane.
See, I've seen that movie. कौन सी movie थी वो? Pearl Harbor. The nurses were really hot there. But I don't think so that if this was used for the same purpose or not. I don't know. False.
During World War, like there was some like different kind of thing that there were like female were objectified to like, but I don't know, like was it? I'll go with false.
True.
Yeah, this is so wrong. I know things. Okay, whatever.
These are lessons that I'm going to give. How to look beautiful.
Any lipstick defective है by the way?
Please tell me that this is the lipstick that's going to be removed properly. Like I can sort of put it away.
End of this challenge, I'll look like the monkey from Ramayana, I guess.
Do I need lip fillers now? Tell me. Of course I don't. I know. Beautiful is this.
It's like if I say true, then it will be wrong. And if I say wrong, then it will be true. So, I don't know. And I don't want to put on this lipstick. Can I get 10 seconds?
This is true.
It's true. I think it was, if I'm not wrong, it was around Victorian era.
True!
There's some problem, okay? Are you sure?
False.
Why am I doing this to myself? This is now lip fillers gone wrong. Fillers. I don't want to take names, but I wish I could. Hi.
Yeah.
My crew is having a great time.
False.
True. ये प्लीज ले जाएं because I don't think इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी मुझे अब. I'm just.
True. Knew it.
I don't know about the entire European culture, but pale skin was a trend, and the blueness. But this is just, I think, was in the Gothic community. I'll go with true. Thank God.
Okay, Shraddha, I'm gonna hate you right now, but whatever. Dun, 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 dun. कोई उम्मीद नहीं मुझे लाइफ में कि मेरे कभी लाइफ में बॉयफ्रेंड बनेगा, बट इसके बाद शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास अपने लिए.
I really have no idea about this. I mean, I think, I don't know. False?
True. Yes! What's the point after this?
True.
True.
So, you guys have heard of the technique contouring. So I think I'll contour my beard. Okay, yeah. Done.
What are these sentences, God?
True.
I think it's true.
False.
False. Yes! Chalo. I hope people do as bad as me at least.
Just a moment here. Notice my eyelashes, guys. So.
I think I'm the prettiest of them all if I play like a mirror game.
I really think I've done a little tad bit better than what I thought I would. So yeah.
So as you can see that I did not really get a lot of statements right, and this is how I look.
As you can see, I was very good in this challenge, like always.
So guys, I think clearly I'm the winner.
That was one of the most beautiful experiences of my life. This is exactly how always I dreamt to look. I'm sure I look beautiful. Yeah.
Let us know what you feel about this video and how many facts you could get right in the comment section below.
And for more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.
Also guys, check out the POPxo shop. We've got cool merchandise like cushion covers, coffee mugs, and also we've got hoodies now.
The link is in the description below. Go shop now.